Sometimes creating a logo is as simple as starting with the right font and adding your creative touch. This logo right here is a perfect example. Let's break down how you can create something like this in no time. I'm Omar and you're watching QuickTips tutorials. Okay, so we're gonna recreate this logo here. Let's move it aside. I'll start with the type tool. Type logo, scale that, and choose Arial Black as the font. Select the type, right click, and create outlines. The reason I did that is because I want it to be an editable shape. Right click on it, ungroup. Let's start with the O. Let's move it closer here so it would overlap with the L. I think that's good enough. Now I want to create a gap between the overlap. We'll go to Object, Path, and Offset Path. Let's offset by 6 pixels. Yep, that's good. Click OK. I'm gonna go to outline mode to show you. Command or Control Y to get to outline mode. Now what happened here is that it created two shapes, the original shape and the offset one. Let's click on the offset one. Go to Command or Control Y again. Click on the L and choose Shape Builder. Let me click on the O, drag. As you can see, it united the O with the part of the L here. Select, click the O, the outer O, and delete. There you go. Okay, now for the G. Let's do it again. Object, Path, and Offset Path. 6 pixels. Select the outer G and the O, Shape Builder, click and drag, select that shape, the outer shape, click delete. Okay, that's looking good. Let's add a gradient to it. Select them all, group, and choose a gradient. Let's spice it up a bit. Just copy that logo, give it a black color, go to Effects, Distort and Transform, and choose Free Transform. Let's choose these 2 points, the upper points, drag it all the way here, click OK. Let's give it a gradient fill. Choose black with opacity 0, and this is also black with opacity of 100. Give it a 90-degree angle and reverse that. Okay, looking good. Let's give it some blur. Effects, blur, and Gaussian blur. I think that's good enough. Now overall opacity, let's take it down to, I would say, 50%. That's good. Let's move it up a bit, and there you have it. A simple yet professional logo created in just a few steps. Remember, less is more when it comes to logo design, so keep it clean and impactful. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.